Hi, Luxers! I'm Iya,
I'm TJ.
and we are an LGBT couple. So guys, we actually met through a dating app, no?
Yes.
Siya yung mask, ako yung femme, but ako actually yung nanligaw. Kasi yung gusto niya, one girl at a time. Pero guys, sobrang bilis niya kasi mag-reply sa akin. So I was like, imposibleng wala siyang gusto sa akin. So I asked her out. Nung first time, parang I thought like, parang na-friend zone ako. Pero hindi ako nag-give up. I really made sure na really treat her as a really good friend. And to the point pa nga na when she was telling me about her girl problem, no?
Yes.
I was telling her na, why don't you explore your options kahit na hindi na ako yung i-date mo? Like, it's okay. Ano na-feel mo when you,
Ang
when you heard
na-feel
that?
ko noon, nung sinabi niya na makipag-date ako kahit hindi na siya, sabi ko, ay, parang wala akong pag-asa. Pero tinuloy ko pa rin.
Oh, you're so sweet, Babu. Ayun, so this is how it looks like. It's a puzzle. So, mapapansin niyo po, meron siyang heart, which symbolizes our love.
Yes.
And the reason why puzzle siya is because we are each other's missing piece.
Mhm.
Ayun. And then, yung mga colors
Colors.
naman, LGBT rainbow color.
Yes. Representing the community.
Yes. And then we also have another one. This one naman. It's a heart with infinity sign. So the reason why it's red is because it symbolizes our passion and love for each other. And then yung heart, of course, love.
Mhm.
Infinity sign because we want to be together forever.
Yes. And our commitment forever.
Ako naman, what I really, really love about my wife, si TJ by the way, we are, nag-fully union po
Yes.
kami. Ayun, so what I really appreciate about my wife is that she's very God-fearing.
And sinabi ko naman sa kanya na si God dapat yung center ng relationship namin.
Yes. Sinagot niya ako, no, during our first date. Diba?
Yes.
Kasi yung sabi ko sa kanya, pag nakita na tayo na.
Tabi na.
Diba?
Oo. And
So, yun.
masaya ako noon.
And we're
Sobra.
very, very happy. We've been together for a year na and we're happily a married couple. I know hindi pa legal dito sa Philippines ang LGBT marriage, pero guys, like, we really also encourage na magpa-holy union kung ready na kayo as a couple po. Because Lux knows no boundaries
Yes.
at all. Very inclusive.
Yes.
And napakasaya talaga namin to be part of this project. We became a couple noong November 22.
Mhm.
Birthday pa yan ng mom ko. And then, we got married like March 19.
19.
Yeah. Nagpa-holy
So,
union na kami.
It's a couple of months, tsaka kami naging couple.
Yeah, it's a whirlwind romance and we're still very, very happy together. Yeah, may mga pinagdaanan din kami, may
Oo.
ups and downs, like normal couples out there.
Sabi ko, ipupurso ko tong babae na to, no matter what happen, seryoso ako. So, kung ano man maging struggle na may experience namin, laban pa rin. Kasi mahal ko siya.
Oh, I love you too, Babu. And sobrang accepted din kami ng family namin.
Yes.
Yun. Kaya sobrang nagpapasalamat din kami sa mga magulang din namin, sa family namin for accepting both our preferences, kung sino talaga kami. Thank you, Babu, for really taking me as I am. I know that I'm not exactly the easiest girl to please, and I do have, my disability. Sometimes it's hard for you to, parang minsan sobrang hirap ako makarinig. And yet you accepted me for who I am. I'm very, very thankful of that. And thank you for always guiding me and making sure that I am okay, and for loving me. You always make me feel really loved no matter what. And what I also really love about you is that tinuturuan mo ko kung paano mas maging makatao. And thank you for your grit and your hard work. You've never, parang hindi mo ko pinabayaan, and I'm really thankful of that. And thank you for being a very God-centered person. So, thank you for inspiring me.
Actually, pinag-pray ko before, and answered prayer naman, ang sabi ko, kung makakatagpo ulit ako ng babae, ang gusto ko yung no buts, no excuses, yung commitment talaga. So, thank you so much for your commitment.
Oh.
And then, for your love. Actually, si Iya, sobrang sweet nito eh. Oo, sa aming dalawa, siya talaga yung sweet. So, yun yung nagustuhan ko sa'yo. And, of course, hindi niya tinignan kung saan ako nanggaling. Kung yung status in life, hindi niya tinignan yon. Tinanggap mo ako ng buong buo. No buts. Yun. And, thank you so much din na pinakilala mo ako sa family mo nang hindi ka natakot. Hindi siya talaga natakot. Matapang niya akong pinakilala sa family niya. So, thank you so much for that and for your love.
Oh,
I love you.
I love you more, Babu. Thank you. Thank you so much, Miss A, for trusting us and na itaguyod yung bandila ng LGBT community po.
And marami tayong may inspire na
Yes.
LGBT like us. Thank you so much, Miss A.
Thank you so much, Miss A, and we lux you!
Nang dumating